Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to start a brainstorming session on the Post-it application. You can also allow others to contribute to it. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the this icon down below in the left side corner of the screen and click on Start New Session. Type in your board name and type in your name as well. Then click on Next. Here you can see this QR code that others can scan to find the brainstorming session so that they can contribute to it. And there is also the session ID that you can copy. As you can see, it has been copied, so you will be able to send it to others by tapping on the share session link too. Click on Done in the upper right corner of the screen and tap on this plus icon to create your post-it on the brainstorming session. And then you will be able to type in your ideas and then others will be able to contribute to. And here is your item or the new entry that you have created. If you tap on the inbox icon at the top below the board name title, you are going to see the post-it notes shared with you. Here are the board groups. If you want to check them out, tap on the relevant one and you will be able to edit it. And as you can see, you can also drag a note here to create a new group. So if you tap on it, you will be able to make up a new entry. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.